Alright guys, so today we're going to be killing poison ivy the natural way. So I don't like using pesticides or herbicides in my yard. I've got animals and I'm just not into it anyway. So I researched online and this is the concoction that everybody seems to be talking about. Vinegar, salt, and some dish soap. So ultimately the vinegar and the salt are what's going to kill it, and the dish soap it's like a binding agent, so it makes it stick to the leaves. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a half a gallon of water I already put in here. We're going to top up the rest, make a full gallon of mixture with this vinegar. I'm using this, it's extra strong vinegar. It's 6 times more powerful. So I'm just going to use this. So basically I've already put the water in. So now we're going to top it off. Oh, a cup of salt. I just went and bought this thing of salt. I don't really use iodized salt in the house. I like the Himalayan fancy shit. So basically I went and bought this, 69 cents. So this entire concoction here is fuck all basically. The only thing I need to figure out now is how to open this salt. Let's see, iodized salt. So open, raise spouts. Okay, where's the spouts? ShopRite brand. Here's the spout. So it says a cup of salt. I'm gonna measure that out into this little thing I have here. So I've already put the water in. Let's put the salt in. Now, this stuff works. I've seen the testimonies online. So you really want to make sure if you're using this, don't put it near anything that you don't want to kill, because this is going to kill fucking everything. Fill this up now. Get it up to the gallon line. It's about there somewhere. And then it said like a spoonful, so I'm just going to put a good old whack in here. It's probably enough. And then I just got to seal this up and we'll go spray. So as you can see, this is all poison ivy right here. It's all around this little locality right here. It's all in this location. It's growing up this tree here. So what I did was I snipped those vines down low. And I snipped a section out of them rather than just snip them straight across in case they ever re-adhered. There's more over here. We're going to spray all this, and then I've bought these bags of mulch. We're going to throw cardboard down. I saw a guy online do this. He threw cardboard down and then he covered it after. I don't even know if he sprayed it, to be honest. I think he just put the cardboard down, put the mulch down, and then just basically it just dies because it can't get any sunlight. I'm going to do both. I'm going to spray it, cover the whole area with cardboard, and then chuck all these 3 bags of mulch on it, because I hate poison ivy. I got a bad dose of it one time and I don't need it again. Okay, because now I'm going to be getting into it, putting rubber gloves on. I'm going to put long sleeves on. So I have my hand inside this plastic bag, and then I can literally just start like pulling the vines out. So I see a couple of vines over here that I'm going to just grab. I'm going to lose the gloves now as well, guys. Not worth it. I don't know if you can see me. Lose the gloves as well. Turn the gloves inside out. And I'm going to go get some cardboard. So this is primarily the area right here. Didn't want that to die, so I just poked it up through, and I didn't want that to die, although mind you I think I just killed it. So really that's it. Now one last step is to wet it. So if you wet all the cardboard, it conforms to the ground, and when you put the mulch on, it kind of beds down better. Any of this shit on me, so just spray it. I have alcohol in here, Make sure you clean your tools down the same way, guys. I use alcohol spray and then rinse off thoroughly.
Give them another spray with the alcohol. Give them a good rub vigorously. You want to get between your fingers, and then you want to rinse it all off. And now I'm going to go take a cold shower and wash thoroughly with a face cloth, a washcloth. You want to wash your face, everything with soap and cold water. So this is where we're at, guys. I have all the cardboard down. I put a couple of bags down. I realized I need a bunch more, so I grabbed some more at Lowe's. 3 bags for 10 bucks, not bad. So I'm gonna just cover this entire area right now with all the mulch, and then that way we should be good. Let's just see. You can see that this is all already starting to wilt. You can see this is all starting to wilt already. I snipped it and I sprayed it. This is from the spray. Look at that. So it works. So I just want to show you the final product here, guys. This is after putting all the mulch down. As you can see, nice big bed here. It's 8 bags. It's actually 11 bags of mulch just in this little area here. So it's only 3 bags for 10 bucks at Lowe's right now. So it's not too bad, about 30 bucks worth of mulch, a little over. So spray it down with salt, a mixture of salt, washing up liquid and vinegar mixed with water. And then that's it, boom, spray it all over it. That kills it. And then what I did was I used the plastic bag, got stuck in, ripped out the rest of the weeds, and then completely covered it with cardboard, and then completely covered it with mulch. So for less than $40, I got rid of all that poison ivy. And I also went over here and I sprayed any poison ivy that I found in this garden over here to get rid of it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. I want to keep this content coming for all of you, and your help is greatly appreciated. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.